Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. A US-based financial analyst says Digicel's financial woes could force it into another debt exchange with some of its bondholders. Gabriel Thompson has the details in this report.
Nicole Green of Extract, a debt covenant research service in New York, says one possible route for Digicel would be a debt exchange with 2021 bondholders to extend repayments, similar to the maneuver that prolongs the 2020 and 2022 notes. But speaking with the Financial Times, she added that such a move would raise many questions, such as the company's ability to make an attractive offer to the bondholders. According to the Financial Times, with a $1.3 billion repayment looming in April 2021 and a series of maturities reaching $3 billion in the following 18 months, Digicel founder Dennis O'Brien must make tough decisions to stabilize the company's finances. Digicel's operating performance has been weighed down for years by a difficult transition to mobile data services as it struggled to replace the voice service revenues that were once its bedrock. Currency depreciation in key Caribbean markets has compounded the problem, with most of the company's debt denominated in US dollars. Gabriel Thompson, Frontline News.
Real estate investment trust Kingston Properties expects to double its assets to roughly $42 million by the end of the year with the acquisition of a series of properties. Kimberly Broderick has the details.
In an interview with the Financial Gleaner, head of Kingston Properties, Kevin Richards, said the company wouldn't just throw cash at properties, but seek tenanted properties that meet its criteria of earning a net yield of 7.0% or higher per annum. Kingston Properties holds some 2.9 billion Jamaican dollars in total assets as at September 2019. The rights issue was aimed at giving the company additional cash, which, in conjunction with bank loans, would finance property acquisitions. Kingston Properties recently announced that it acquired 8 fully tenanted warehouse units in the Rosedale Warehouse Complex located in the industrial belt of the Cayman Islands. Kimberly Broderick, Frontline Business.
Epley Caribbean Property Fund has announced plans to conduct a share buyback. The company says the purpose of the acquisition is to unlock shareholder value by purchasing shares at a price that is a significant discount to the book value. It says this is consistent with the strategy disclosed in its prospectus and annual report. The maximum number of shares to be acquired is 300,000. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 2,563 points to close at just over 500,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 77 stocks, of which 28 advanced, 41 declined, and 8 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 102 points to close at over 3,000 points. Stocks advanced for Berger Paints Jamaica, Blue Power Group, Cargo Handlers, Caribbean Cement, and Carreras Limited. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living, MG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Caribbean Cream, and Caribbean Producers Jamaica. Trading firm were CAC 2000, Siboney Group, Consolidated Bakeries, iCreate Limited, and Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial was the volume leader with 3.4 million units, followed by Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 2.5 million units and Lumber Depot Limited with over 2 million units. And news in oil. Oil prices edged up on Monday after Brent touched above $70 a barrel as rhetoric from the United States, Iran and Iraq fanned tensions in the Middle East after a U.S. airstrike killed a top Iranian military commander. Brent crude futures rose 22 cents to $68.82 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures also gained 7 cents to $63.12 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.